Hi everyone, it's me Dev. Finally, I decided to make this video. I know 3 weeks ago I had announced by making a short video I'm going to create again, I'm going to be active again how I was before, but I couldn't keep up because I was busy with my coding, and which was very important for my job interview. When I covered the all important parts, means I'm still busy though. I'm making projects and I'm trying to be focused there. But now I'm not feeling any pressure, so I thought let's start making this video, because for me making these videos is like becoming accountable of our actions, because I'm more open here than anyone else, because I can talk about here with me, because I love to talk here with me genuinely. That's why I used to make videos earlier also, not because to become a YouTuber, but just to talk about, just share our ideas, just keep it safe here, whatever we learn something or whatever we had experience. So that was our vision, and that's the same vision still I have. I'm just making these videos for myself so I can improve, I can sound confident, I can be expressive speakers. Because of that single reason I started again. That was it and nothing else. No, not at all. Okay, so let's forget about this thing. Let's talk about the important and main part here. Actually, for last 2 weeks I was contemplating about my thoughts, and I was pondering about my career and how many mistakes I made and what I'm doing right now, what should I do. When I planned everything, then I thought, nowadays why I'm facing problem with my confidence while speaking with someone. Then I noticed, because I'm not facing someone, or I'm not talking really front of someone. Means most of the time I connect with someone online or on call. Because of that I'm facing this problem, and I had also stopped making these videos. So because then I when I realized these problems, I thought, then what I'm doing, why I'm not making these video. I should keep up, right? I should keep up until I will get a job on site, and there's no problem to make this video. No one taking my money, or I don't have to go somewhere like 50 kilometer to do this. Just I have to turn on the camera and I have to just keep recording, I have to keep talk. Like, this is the best thing I could do. So that's how I started, that's how I plan, and I thought, now no need to waste time. Once I will complete the important parts of my coding, then I will start making this video. That's how I am here. And by the way, yes, this is all about my life, and I don't know why I'm exaggerating a lot. I think because after a long time I'm making a long video, that's why in my mind is going to talk a lot and talk a lot. Somehow I have to make more than 5 minutes of this video. But I think this is the wrong mindset. I should talk about only important parts. That's how I can ignore some trash talk. Because nowadays I'm realizing I'm talking too much unnecessary things, not important things. Sometimes I talk really important parts, but I'm talking really unnecessary things which are not important. Even I'm giving those details which are just uh, no one is interested. Even myself, I just, because of this habit, because of this over talking behavior, I just say it sometime unnecessarily. So, by the way, because of these reasons, when I realized, that's why I thought, let's make these videos. Otherwise, I will never learn how I will find my these problems, how I can solve this. So so the only solution was this: to notice yourself. How I can notice? By recording my videos. So that's why I thought, let's record. Even there, if you have to say anything, then go and keep, at least say something. At least let's start with your first video, and after that you can keep up, right? You can continue after learning. When I will watch after finishing this video, then I will notice how to form, how to again go in that flow where I used to be very constructive with everything, point by point and stepwise steps. I think I have lost those skills. Because of that I'm being that trash talker. I think, yes, because of that reason. Yeah, so that was the reason I was doing nothing productive about my confidence, about my communication skills. So that's why I had decided, no matter what, after completing these important parts of my coding, I will go outside, I will make these videos no matter what. I don't care about anyone. If someone will even stop, I will not care. Even God will come, don't make these videos, Dave, I will not going to listen to him. Yes, so that's how I decided, and that's why I'm here. And to be honest, I'm just trying to speak about something because it's been a long time and I'm trying to be a normal, but to be honest, in my mind so many things is going on. It's a chaos kind of, things is happening in my mind. But it's okay. I'm trying to console myself here, and this is about this making this video, right, where I will learn about my action, why I'm being so in a rush. So that's overall, this is all about this video, about me, about my behavior, about to console myself, about to construct my all the thoughts in a way where anyone can understand, where anyone can enjoy my conversation. That's why I'm making these videos. Okay, so let's completely stop this part. Let's talk about our future plan and how we will going to do further. So from today, I have decided, every day I will going to make 10 more than 10 minutes video. Yes, no matter what will happen, I will make more than 10 minutes, at least, more than, not only 10, more than 10-minute videos every day, to just keep up my consistency. I don't want it to lose my fluency. That's the main reason I'm making these videos, because the self talk is the best thing you can do as a practice, as an activity. Because right now, and even let me also explain why I said, why I'm feeling uh, I started again, I'm again at that position where there was no anyone. Because it's, by the way, it's been almost 1 year of my journey, and I connected so many people, and I found so many people who are keep practicing with me every day, but now they are busy with their life. Of course, no one can stay with you. You are a traveler, like the alchemist, that writer. You are a traveler of your life. You have to go. You will find so many amazing people where you will learn from them about life, about career, about behavior, and that's it. They will not gonna linger with you entire life. They have their own private life. They have their own affairs. So now, that's why I said, actually, I got like addicted of them. They were, because they were every time available, and they were I was also available for them for just English practice purpose. Because of that, uh, I'm not feeling well, but that's why I'm making this video. That's why I started. And to be honest, because of that was the reason I didn't make videos. I stopped making videos because I was like overconfident. Now I don't need these practices because I have so many people, I can keep up with them. But now I'm here again with my own activity. And to be honest, this is not a bad. Talking with yourself and talking openly and doing self talk is the best thing you can do. And again, I do not have any vision to make this video for someone else, but if later, if there will be an importance to make this video to express some knowledge and information, then I'll be do also. There is no issue about that. But forget about that. It's This is another thing we can discuss later. But here I'm talking about my reduction, about my comeback, how I can be a confident speaker again, how I can be expressive speaker again. Because when I started my journey 1 year ago, I had no information, I had no any guidance, no one had helped me. But now I have so many resources, I have so much knowledge about English, how it works, and how I can keep up, how I can be a consistent again. And to be honest, I'm not at my worst condition. I can do anything at this time. And I'm so optimistic about my future. I'm too optimistic about tomorrow, about today, about now, even while making this video. So that's the reason I'm making this video, and to be honest, to just share and discuss. So I have made a plan. First, as I have told you, I'm going to keep making more than 10-minute videos every day, no matter what. No matter if there will be storm, there will be rain, heavily rain, I will make those videos at my home. If there will be no electricity, there will be no internet, I will keep that video, I will upload later. But I will gonna make more than 10 minutes video every day, no matter what. That's going to be my first rule for this comeback. And I haven't planned everything though, I just I ponder about it and I thought, let's do it, why not, right? So this is my first rule which I'm going to follow. And later I will decide more things which I should do and which I should also avoid. I will plan later, because I'm a big believer of doing everything slowly, with slow pace. No need to rush, no need to do anything like you are going to die next day. Means there is that possibility you can die. You should do it, you should give your best in the present time. I'm a big believer, but here I won't, because I have so many important works though, like related coding, related interview preparation. So because of those reasons I wanted to slow down this process. I'm not going to rush anything. And now I have learned what are the important resources, what are the main things which I have to avoid, because there are so many distractions as compared to solutions. So I have to be a very cautious person here, especially with this language. So that was it. I don't want to make it complicated, so let's end this video here. Bye, see you.